Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Target and these deals run from November the 12th through November the 18th. I have deals in this video that totaled me an 80% in savings, which is huge in savings. Guys, we have to combat all this inflation, all these high prices. And in order to do that for our family, we need to start saving money any way we can. As always, there's a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to print it off, though. You can just pull it up on your phone and go in the store. So just look in the description box and you'll see the link for the printable breakdown. Please join me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the places under Praising and Saving so you can be getting these deals as well. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The first deal is on these Tide to Go pens. These are $2.79 each, but we're going to be getting them at 85 cents. So these Tide to Go pens, there's going to be a 25% off on the app. This is a Target coupon on the app, and it can apply up to 6 of them. I'm going to pick up 4 of them. The reason I'm picking up 4 of them is so I can get back 1,000 fetch points or $1 back from fetch when I spend $10. So this is what you're going to do. Picking up 4 at $2.79, your total will be $11.16. We have that 25% off, which is equivalent to $2.79 when you buy 4 of them. Then on IBOTTA, we have a $1 IBOTTA rebate, but because we're buying 4, we'll get back $4 on IBOTTA. Then we'll get back 1,000 fetch points, which is $1. So after the 25% off, the $4 back from IBOTTA, the $1 back from fetch, your total is going to be $3.37 for all 4 pens. I'm actually going to be stocking up on these because people at work are always asking for Tide pens. So I think it will be like a cute little Christmas treat if I give them, like, you know, a little bag of candy and then I tie a ribbon to it with a Tide pen, because teachers always need Tide pens, right? Because they want to look nice and they get things on their clothes. So it's going to be a cute little idea for people at work. Next up is the Tresemme hairspray. These are the small bottles, 4.2 ounces. We're going to be getting these just for $1.99 each. Now, last week, we got these for a steal. But if you missed last week's deal, this is decent. These are $4.99. There is a Target Circle offer on the Target app. All you do is scan the barcode, and it clips the coupon. So that $3 off will make these just $1.99. Plus, we are working towards, in my world, to spend 15, get back 2,000 fetch points or $2. So right now I have $6.62 to go. Now that $4.99 Tresemme hairspray is not going to get me to my threshold, but later on in the video, I'm going to be picking up some Nexus products, and that will get me to my threshold, so I'm able to save even more money. That's why I didn't put the $2 in the calculations for you guys when I did the total. Next up is the Persil laundry detergent. We're going to be getting this at $1.40. That's right. So these are $5.99 each. We have a 10% off on the Target app, which takes off 59 cents. Then we have a $3 Target Circle offer. So we have $3 and a 59 cents that's going to come off. So at the register, you're going to pay $2.40 for each one, but it gets better. Then we're going to head on over to IBOTTA and save $1 on them on IBOTTA. So submit your receipt to IBOTTA, save that $1 back, and your total is going to be $1.40 on this. Now, if you're loving these deals, keep watching, and please make sure that you comment your favorite deal of the day. It helps my channel a ton when you guys comment, like, and share any of my videos that I put out. This next deal is a gift card deal. So what you do is you buy 3 products and you'll get back a $10 gift card. So really good deal on these. We're going to be picking up 2 of these OxyCleans 106 load counts and then 1 of these Airwick air freshener starter kits. So your total for all three of these products is going to be $6.37 all together when you do all of the deals here. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of the Arm & Hammer OxiClean 106 loads. They are $12.19. Picking up 2, your total is going to be $24.38. We're going to get back a $4 IBOTTA rebate on each one. So that's $8 back on IBOTTA for both of those. We're going to buy some more, but don't forget, we're going to be getting that $10 gift card as well. Then there's a really good deal on this Airwick. This Airwick is actually going to be free for you today. So these are $11.99 each. We're paying absolutely nothing for these here on this video. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to pick up one. Your total will be $11.99. There is a IBOTTA rebate for $6 back when you buy one. In addition to that, there is a $6 Target Circle offer on the Target app. So with the $6 Target Circle offer and the $6 IBOTTA, it makes it completely free. So essentially what you're doing is you're paying for the Arm & Hammer detergents, because remember, you're getting that $10 gift card back on those. So this is going to be a great deal. And in the printable breakdown, don't forget we have that, but I labeled them in a purple color for you guys, so you're able to distinguish what things you need to buy together in this video. So make sure you go check out that printable breakdown so you don't have to write any of these deals down. It really helps me a ton to keep up with myself and be organized, and I hope it helps you as well when you're in the store and you're shopping and you don't need to write any of these deals down, so just do that. So as a mom, I like to put these electric toothbrushes in my kids' stockings for Christmas, and these are going to be $1.75 each. So the Colgate kids toothbrushes are $5.29, and so you're going to pick up 2 of them. They're buy one, get one 30% off. So essentially, it's like you're paying $4.50 for each one. So your total at the register for both of them will be $9. There is a $2.50 Target Circle offer and a $3 off on the Target app. So you have both of those coupons that are going to attach at the register. So that's $5.50 that is going to attach at the register. So your total for both is going to be $3.50 or $1.75 each. So that's really awesome to get these down from $5.29 all the way down to $1.75 each. Now, if for some reason you are missing one or both of those coupons, there are 2 of these type of coupons on the Shopmium app. Remember, we're no longer using coupons.com to submit our rebates. We're using Shopmium. And I know there's a $2.50 coupon, and there's a 50-cent coupon on there. So you can still save money even if you're not getting the maximum of savings of $5.50. The next deal is on some things you are going to need for Christmas. This is on the Scotch tape. Now, this deal is actually better here with the 3-roll tape. These are on sale. If you buy 2, they're $8. If you don't buy them as a 2 set, they're $4.59. But there is a $2 back on IBOTTA. So when the total at the register is going to be $8, you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $2 back on each one, which is $4, making both sets of tape $4 or just $2 each. The next deal is on the Scotch tape. It's the 2-pack of tape. This is not as good as a deal as the previous one. So these are $5.39. We have a $3.13 IBOTTA rebate on the app. You can do this deal up to 5 times if you like. It's going to make the 2 packs just $2.26. Now, like I said, the 3 packs are going to be $2 per pack, and the 2 packs are going to be $2.26. So I think the 3-pack is a better deal. The next deal is on this Nexus. Now, you can get the small bottles of Nexus, the ones that are $10.99 each, if you want, and I think the deal is going to be free if you do that, but I didn't get that because I'm practical on my channel. So I know I'm going to get what I use. And what I use is the Nexus Mousse and the Nexus Hairspray that's in that rose gold can. So I'm going to bring that deal to you. So these are $15.99 each. Now, they are buy one, get one 50% off. So that's equivalent to them being $12 each. Picking up 2 of them, your total is going to be $24. There is a $6 Target Circle offer on the Target app, as well as a $6 coupon on the Shop Mium app. So that's $12 right there in coupons. Then you're going to head on over to Swagbucks and submit your receipt for 600 Swagbucks or $6. That's a huge deal. So because I spent the $24 on the Nexus products and the $6 earlier on the Tresemme hairspray, I was able to get this Unilever Fetch points back twice. So I was able to get back 4,000 Fetch points or $4. So with the $6 coupon on the Target app, the $6 coupon on Shop Mium, the buy one, get one 50% off, the $6 back on Swagbucks, and the $4 back on Fetch. These are going to be just $2 or $1 each. Now, Swagbucks is one of my favorite apps that I use to get money back. They have high rebates. And if you are not familiar with Swagbucks, please look in the description box. I would love to have you on my team for Swagbucks. It's one of my favorite apps to use. In addition to all these savings, I was able to get back $5 from IBOTTA for redeeming 10 of 10 offers. I love to get back this bonus because this is just free money that we're getting back on IBOTTA just for submitting our receipt for other items. So in this video, I got 10 offers and got back $5 back for the weekend wishbone bonus. I'm still working towards getting my free turkey on the Thanksgiving bonus that they have on the IBOTTA app. And like I said before, if you're not part of IBOTTA, Shopkick, Fetch, Swagbucks, any of those rebate apps, please look in the description box for a referral code. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you love these deals, please comment below your favorite deal of the day. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll be headed to Publix on Wednesday. All right, thanks.